What does a cutting-edge touch product module look like, and how it's revolutionizing the way we interact with devices? Whether it's touch function membranes or stylish glass and acrylic covers, our products are designed to enhance user experience and functionality. At Xufeng, we specialize in the development, production, and assembly of cutting-edge touch product module solutions. Our expertise spans a wide range of products, including MCU motherboard development, SMT, and advanced transparent conductive sensors. We also excel in light board bracket injection molding, ensuring that every component meets the highest standards of quality and precision. At the heart of every advanced touch product module is innovative design. These modules are not just functional, they're crafted to enhance user experience. With ultra-responsive touch sensitivity and sleek aesthetics, they seamlessly integrate into any device, from smartphones to smart home systems. But innovation doesn't stop at design. Our commitment to product quality control ensures that every module meets the highest standards. Rigorous testing processes guarantee durability and reliability, so you can trust that your devices will perform flawlessly. Cutting-edge production technology is key to creating these modules. Utilizing state-of-the-art equipment, we streamline the manufacturing process, ensuring efficiency and precision at every step. This means faster production times and top-notch quality for our customers. We believe that exceptional customer support is just as important as the product itself. Our dedicated team is here to assist you with everything from order processing to after-sales service, ensuring a smooth experience from start to finish. Innovation is at the core of what we do. Our R&D capabilities allow us to stay ahead of market trends, continuously improving our products and services based on customer feedback and market research. We're not just keeping up, we're leading the way. And when it comes to logistics and distribution, we've got you covered. Our streamlined processes ensure that your products reach you on time every time. We understand the importance of reliability in today's fast-paced market. Want to break through the boundaries of technology and design? Xufeng Electronic Technology gives you an opportunity to encounter innovative technology. Click the contact information below the video to contact us now.